Welcome back to Tube4U. My name is Arpit. This video is for my fellow YouTubers who are starting out on a journey to financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving into the secrets of YouTube success and uncovering the strategies to monetize your channel and make money. If you're ready to turn your passion for creating content into a thriving online business, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's talk about creating valuable content. It's essential to understand your target audience and deliver content that resonates with them. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, or entertainment, find your niche and provide consistent, high-quality videos that keep viewers coming back for more. Once you have a loyal audience, it's time to monetize your channel. One of the most popular methods is through Google AdSense. By enabling ads on your videos, you can earn revenue based on ad impressions and clicks. However, it's important to strike a balance between monetization and user experience to keep your viewers engaged. Next, let's explore affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in your videos or descriptions. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for you and the brand. Another effective way to monetize your channel is through sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for collaborations, product reviews, or endorsements. Make sure to maintain authenticity and align with brands that resonate with your audience. Remember, transparency is key. Now, let's discuss merchandise and product sales. Once you have a dedicated fan base, consider launching your own merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or even digital products like ebooks or courses. This not only generates income but also strengthens your brand identity and fosters a deeper connection with your audience. Lastly, don't overlook the power of crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Your loyal subscribers can support your channel by becoming patrons, gaining access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes footage, or personalized perks. This direct support from your community can be a significant source of income. In conclusion, monetizing your YouTube channel is possible with the right strategies and dedication. Remember to focus on creating valuable content, leverage various income streams like AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise, and even crowdfunding. The key is to provide value to your audience while finding the right balance between monetization and authenticity. That wraps up today's video on YouTube success secrets and monetizing your channel. I hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.